Hi, I'm Frances Goodall from francesgoodall.com and also womenswellnesscircle.com. Just making a little video to talk about the power of standing strong in who you are, inside and out, to really embrace yourself exactly as you are, with your appearance as it is, your body as it is, your feelings as they are, really standing strong in who you are inside and out, which is why I'm really excited to have joined with Tessa from Amsterdam to offer an online workshop to support you in standing strong in who you are inside and out. So just taking a moment now to close your eyes and connect into really embracing yourself fully as you are, standing strong in yourself as you are. Any feelings that are present in your body, any sensations, and even embracing the parts of you that struggle with standing strong in who you are inside and out. With a breath and a smile, standing strong in yourself. So in the workshop, we'll be offering an embodiment practice and also some EFT to clear blocks, emotional freedom technique to clear any blocks to standing strong in who you are in and out, as well as time for questions and sharing. And it's a workshop for women, and it'd be great to have you with us. Bye.